In this video, I will show you how you can delete bulk images, videos from WhatsApp or from another app on your Android device which are consuming your storage space, especially when you want to delete files within a specific date range or you may want to delete half of the files. Deleting all files is easy, but selecting, let's say, 500, 1,000, or 2,000 files could be tricky. Usually, deleting bulk files is a very slow process because you need to select every individual file, which takes time. However, using this method, you can accomplish this task quickly, saving you time. You need to install a third-party app named Mixplorer. Open Google Chrome and download the application from the link provided below in the description. After downloading, install it. You may need to enable installation from unknown sources in Chrome. After installation, open the application and accept the terms and conditions. The app will prompt you to allow access to all files. Now, you need to navigate to Android Media, then com.whatsapp for regular WhatsApp or com.whatsapp W4B for WhatsApp Business. Go further inside the folder, then go to the Media folder, and then to the WhatsApp Images folder. In the lower pane, click on AZ and select Date Older. This will sort the files by age, with the older ones first. Click on the first file, and then scroll to the last file you want to delete. Click on the small down arrow next to the Recycle Bin icon in the upper pane. In the new menu, click Between. Selecting this will choose all the files in between. Click on the Recycle Bin icon and select Permanently to delete the files permanently. You will need to wait depending on the number of files selected. It may take some time. Once done, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel to show your support.